Have you ever wondered what would happen if artificial intelligence did almost all of your work? Well, I decided to find out. For the next 7 days, I challenged myself to replace as much of my daily work as possible using AI tools. No expensive softwares, no coding, just free or affordable AI tool that anyone can use. And honestly, some of the result completely shocked me. Let's get started. Day 1, I started with writing. Normally, writing emails, blog post and video script takes hours. This time I used ChatGPT. Instead of staring at a blank screen, I simply described what I wanted. Within second I had a complete draft. Was it perfect? No, but it saved me nearly 2 hours. Instead of writing from scratch, I spent my time improving the content. That's a huge difference. Day 2, next came research. Usually I spend a lot of time searching Google and opening dozens of websites. This time I used an AI research assistant. Instead of searching for links, I received summarized answers with sources. Tasks that normally took 1 hour were finished in 15 minutes. That alone changed the way I work. Day 3. Now it was time for design. I am not a professional designer, but AI made it incredibly simple. I created thumbnails, social media posts, and presentation graphic in just a few minutes. No Photoshop, no complicated editing, just simple prompts. The result looked surprisingly professional. Day 4. This was my favorite day. Voice generation. I tested AI voices for narrations. The voices sounded natural, clear, and professional. It made me realize that creating content is becoming easier than ever before. You no longer need expensive recording equipment to get started. Day 5. Then I moved on the video editing. Editing usually takes a long time, cutting mistake, removing silence, adding captions. With AI, most of these repetitive tasks became automatic. Instead of spending hours editing, I focused on improving the story. That shaved another few hours. Day 6. By now I noticed something interesting. AI was not replacing my creativity. It was replacing repetitive work. Instead of doing boring tasks, I had more time to think about better ideas. And that's probably the biggest advantage of AI. It does not replace human imagination. It gives humans more time to use it. Day 7. After one full week, I looked at the result. I saved more than 12 hours. I completed more work than usual. And surprisingly, I felt less stress. Does that mean AI can replace every job? No, not even close. AI still makes mistakes. It needs human guidance. It needs fact checking and it definitely needs creativity. But here's the truth, people who learn AI today will probably have a huge advantage over people who ignore it. AI is not replacing people. People using AI are replacing people who don't. If you are a student, a freelancer, a content creator, or someone who simply wants to become more productive, learning AI is probably one of the best investment you can make today. You don't need to become a programmer. You just need to know how to use the right tools. The future belongs to people who work smarter, not just harder. If you enjoyed this experiment, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video.